Hey y'all, my name is Leah, or you guys can call me Baby Scorpio, and welcome to this yoga session to focus on opening the chest, strengthening the back, and improving spinal alignment. We're going to start off by sitting in a cross-legged position or on our knees, whatever feels comfortable to you. We're going to inhale, lengthening our spine tall, and we're going to exhale as we roll our shoulders back and down. We're going to place our hands on our knees and take 3 big, deep breaths. At this time, I want you to be open to this affirmation. I subconsciously carry myself with strength and grace. We're going to transition into a tabletop position, so with our wrists under our shoulders and our knees under our hips. We're going to inhale, dropping our belly and lifting our chest and tailbone into cow pose. And we're going to exhale, rounding our spine and tucking our chin and tailbone in into cat pose. Now we're going to synchronize our breath and our movement as I say this affirmation. I am subconsciously aware of my authentic self, and I'm proud to be who I am today. We're going to transition into Sphinx pose. So we're going to lie on our belly with our forearms on the mat and our elbows under our shoulders. We're going to lift our chest gently and press our hips down. Focus on opening your heart and strengthening that lower back. Remember to take deep breaths as we hold this pose for 1 minute. We're going to transition into eagle arms and chair pose. So we're going to stand tall with our feet wide apart, and we're going to bend our knees and sit into an imaginary chair. We're going to wrap our right arm under our left, and we're going to press our palms or the back of our hands together. We're going to hold this pose for 30 seconds and then switch arms. And we're going to switch sides. We're going to transition into mountain pose with cactus arms. So we're going to stand tall with our feet grounded. We're going to inhale, reaching our arms up, and exhale, bending our arms like a goal pose. We're going to squeeze our shoulder blades together, and we're going to repeat this for 5 breaths. As we're doing this pose, you should feel your chest opening and your posture lift. We're going to transition into tree pose. So we're going to stand on our left foot and bring our right foot to our ankle, calf, or inner thigh, depending on your flexibility level. You can place your hands on your heart or over your head, but we're going to engage that core and lengthen our spine. As we build balance and postural awareness, we're going to hold this pose for 30 seconds on each side. And we're going to switch sides. We're going to transition into supported bridge pose. So we're going to lie on our back with our knees bent and our feet flat on the mat. We're going to inhale as we lift our hips and interlace our hands under our back and roll our shoulders in. I want you to exhale and release all that fear in the spine and know that you are worthy of every single thing that you have in your life right now. If needed, you can always place a block under your sacrum in this pose. And we're going to transition into supine twist. So we're going to hug our knees to our chest and we're going to drop them to one side as we open our arms wide into a T shape. We're going to hold this pose for 1 minute, so make sure that you are continuing to deep breathe. And we're going to switch sides. We're going to return to the center with our legs extended and our palms up as we transition into Savasana. At this time, I want you to feel your body aligned and supported as you repeat this affirmation out loud or in your head. I subconsciously stand tall in my truth because I know that I'm worthy of living in my authentic energy. At this time, I want you to thank yourself for showing up to this yoga session. You are worthy of investing in your mind, body, and soul. Namaste, and see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.